Hello viewers, today in this video I will unbox Realme Narzo 50 smartphone that has been launched on Flipkart at a price point of 12,499. The device comes with Helio G85 processor, 6000 mAh battery, 50 megapixel AI triple camera and 8-watt quick charge in the box. Let's peel off the plastics and see what else inside this Realme Narzo 50A. Inside the box you will find a paper box in which there is documentation and SIM ejector tool. Let me keep it aside. Then this is the smartphone Realme Narzo 50A. Inside it there is power adapter of 18 watt. After that there is Type-C port and there is no cover for this phone. Let me peel off the plastics of Realme Narzo 50A. The smartphone looks great from the back side. As you can see, the camera module is of different kind. It is a very good design. It gives a great look to the smartphone. Inside the camera module there is fingerprint scanner, as you can see, Narzo branding, and also there is 8 megapixel camera on the front. Coming to the build quality, at the bottom you will find 3.5 mm jack, microphone hole, Type-C port and speaker grill. Towards the right there is power button and volume up and down keys. On the top of the device you will find there is nothing, and at the left there is SIM tray. This is a triple slot with 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card. Let's power on the device and see what else inside this. As it is powered by Helio G85, it will be very good smartphone for the gamers. The display of this smartphone is of HD quality, so don't expect much. Moreover, the display runs on 60 Hz refresh rate, so there is no 90 Hz or 120 Hz refresh rate. The smartphone pack 6000 mAh battery which will last up to 2 days for normal use, and if you are a heavy user it will last for 1 day at least. The display of this phone seems to be okay. There is no pixelation in the display. I am giving you a close look so that you can judge by yourself how the display is. Now let me go to the settings. In the settings you will find that this device runs on Android 11 and it is running on Realme UI version 2.0. It has 128 GB of internal storage, out of which 108 GB is available. The processor is Helio G85. The phone runs on Android 11 out of the box, and it has Android security patch of 5th July 2021. This device comes with 50 megapixel main sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro lens. Let me take a photo from this smartphone so that you can judge by yourself how the quality of the smartphone is. The new sensor of 50 megapixel seems to be very good, as it produces good amount of detail in the photo. Let me test the selfie camera so that you can judge the quality of the selfie. You can see that the selfie also looks impressive considering the price point. I have tested the phone outdoor and took some sample shots using this smartphone's back camera. Let's have this. This shot has been taken by the back camera. This is also from the main sensor. This is from the 50 megapixel camera. Look at the clarity. The photo looks punchier. And this shot has been taken from the selfie camera, 8 megapixel. It looks above average. This is a macro shot. This shot has been taken in portrait mode. Now let us check the speaker quality of this smartphone.
I've been trying to say words don't come straight from my head to my mouth. It's such a shame that it fell out of place. Was never me.
I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed this video, please like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such tech videos. Thank you very much.